BED and BIRD. They don't mean the same thing, so they should not be pronounced the same way. You can't pronounce BED as bed and also pronounce BIRD as bed. It is wrong, okay? They don't have the same pronunciation, they have different pronunciation. So BED is pronounced as bed, bed. How about BIRD? Bird. It is spelled as BIRD. The IR in that word makes the sound It is the same it is the same sound you have in GIRL, which makes you pronounce that word as girl and not girl. So if you have been pronouncing GIRL as girl, this is me telling you that word is pronounced as girl. Okay, back to the original word. Bird, bird, not bed. Okay, you go. Bird. So let's go together. Bed, bird. The one you lie on, bed, bed, bed. But the one that flies, take a look, give me your white finger. Bird, 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 bird.